In this video, we will discuss type coercion in JavaScript. Type of coercion is an automatic and implicit conversion of values from one data type to another, such as strings, which I converted to numbers. If I have a number, I can convert it to string. Type conversion is similar to type coercion because they both convert values from one data type to another with one key difference. Type coercion is implicit, whereas type conversion can be either implicit or explicit. Let's see an example of this. I have one value of 5 and another value of 9. 5 is a string and 9 is a number. Its answer should be 14 because we are doing sum. But what will happen in JavaScript? First, it will see value 1 in which I have 5. It is a string. So it will convert value 2 also in a string. So our answer will be 59. But we have to do sum here. So for some value 1, we will explicitly convert into data type. If it is a number, then we will convert it to a number. Now we have converted to number, so our answer after sum will be 14. Now we will see how we can do conversion with an object. If I have to convert an object, what we'll do, we have an example here. In demo, object name is Saba. If I want to convert it through toString, I will get object answer. I can't convert it to string directly. To convert, I will write a function of toString. X is 7, Y is 3, and S is the name of object. I have plus this. Now I have called with console.log s. I have not called the function of toString here. I have called s plus and further anti-string. When I will call this, it will call toString and my answer will be 10. ToString coerces an object into a string. Now we will see value of it. It coerces an object into primitive values such as a number. I have length, width and height. Here value of is a function. It is returning as length multiply width multiply height. So my answer should be 42. I have called the object with plus box. It will return as 42. If I call the function, then also the answer can come, but I am only calling through object. If I console log and run, first I will clear the console log, then I refresh. First is object, because we directly converted it through to string. Now I have called s plus an empty string. Answer should be 10. Next I did with value of. Plus box was the name of object. I have got the answer of multiplication. We have discussed type coercion, how we convert and work with object. I have seen the difference also between type coercion and type conversion.